Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Safari not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution you have: turn on and off airplane mode. If Safari is functioning due to a poor internet connection, so you have turn on and off airplane mode could resolve the problem straight away. So then you have open the setting and then you have turn on and off airplane mode. Then second solution, you have enable background app refresh. Background app refresh plays a vital role in keeping an app refreshed so that it can run with the desired smoothness, though it does gobble up more battery and may also eat into a ton of cellular data. It is worth activating when you want to get the most out of your app. So then you have open the setting and then you have click on general, click on background app refresh, click on background app refresh is turned off from here. Is not working in this time. My iPhone is enable the low power mode. Then third solution, you have enable location service for Safari. Some websites might require access to location service to work properly, so you have open the setting again, click on privacy, click on location service, turn on and off from here. Then the fourth solution, you have disable VPN. As stated above, a VPN service could also the responsible for making Safari ill functions. If you have recently installed a VPN app on your iPhone, turn it off as it could very well be at the heart of the issue. So you have open the setting again, click on general, click on VPN and device management. So then you have not connected from here. I have already disconnect. The last solution, you have restart your iPhone. Rebooting may get rid of any temporary glitch that could be hurting Safari and preventing it from running properly or making the browser crash out. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds later, then your mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know if you have any problem. So please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.